Hi everyone. Welcome to Level Up Dividends channel. I'll get straight to the point. I'm featuring 8 pharmaceutical companies that have good dividend payment records. The icing on the cake is that all these stocks seem to have a substantial upside potential. Now, let's get into the list. Stock 1, Eli Lilly. Dividend yield, 0.68%. Dividend safety, 96. Dividend growth, 15% per year in the last 5 years. Dividend growth streak, 33 years. According to analysts, the stock could reach $891, which represents an upside potential of 17%. Stock 2, AbbVie. Dividend yield, 3.86%. Dividend safety, 80. Dividend growth, 9% per year in the last 5 years. Dividend growth streak, 100 years. According to analysts, the stock could reach $185, which represents an upside potential of 15%. Stock 3, Pfizer. Dividend yield, 5.95%. Dividend safety, 75. Dividend growth, 4% per year in the last 5 years. Dividend growth streak, 13 years. According to analysts, the stock could reach $31, which represents an upside potential of 13%. Stock 4, Johnson & Johnson. Dividend yield, 3.31%. Dividend safety, 99. Dividend growth, 6% per year in the last 5 years. Dividend growth streak, 108 years. According to analysts, the stock could reach $174, which is about a 16% upside potential. Stock 5, Sanofi. Dividend yield, 4.13%. Dividend safety, 90. Dividend growth, 4% per year in the last 5 years. Dividend growth streak, 24 years. According to analysts, the stock could reach $55, which is about a 14% upside potential. Stock 6, Gilead Science. Dividend yield, 4.67%. Dividend safety, 70. Dividend growth, 6% per year in the last 5 years. Dividend growth streak, 8 years. According to analysts, the stock could reach $81, which is about a 24% upside potential. Stock 7, Haleon plc. Dividend yield, 1.82%. Dividend safety, 60. Dividend growth, 150% last year. Dividend growth streak, 1 year. According to analysts, the stock could reach $10, which is about a 21% upside potential. Stock 8, Bristol Myers Squibb. Dividend yield, 5.34%. Dividend safety, 70. Dividend growth, 7% per year in the last 5 years. Dividend growth streak, 53 years. According to analysts, the stock could reach $51, which is about a 15% upside potential. This is it. Have a look at my X account. I post some technical analysis about the levels I'm watching and it's completely free. Remember, I am not a financial advisor. Don't forget to make your own due diligence before investing. Please push the like button if you like the video and subscribe to the channel for similar content. I'll see you next time.